Hey there, welcome back to my channel. So you would like to know how I achieved an engraved stainless steel water bottle without using an engraving machine or a laser machine? Stick with me and I'll show you step by step on how this was done. Hey there crafters, welcome back to Craft Basics, where art is a passion and craft is your everyday life. Let's jump right into it. Today I'll be using my Cricut design space to finalize the image that I will be using on the water bottle. So that is a coated stainless steel water bottle. And I will have this cut from a vinyl, which is unique for these types of projects. I will leave the link in the description below if you're interested in purchasing from Amazon. This vinyl was also recommended on Amazon when I was purchasing the Citristrip. It helps to prevent seeping of the chemical on your work area. So I will show you shortly how that works. So it's pretty much a clear vinyl, but it's a transparent vinyl, I should say. And it helps you to really identify if there are any bubbles or areas on your design that may cause the chemical to seep through. I'm now removing the section of my design that I need for this project. I will be weeding away the pieces of vinyl that I do not need for my design. And this is the brand of vinyl that I purchased on Amazon, and the link is in the description below for you to check that out. I discovered this stripping gel recently. So this is Citristrip. It's a paint and varnish stripping gel, and it's a great alternative if you do not have an engraving machine. And today I'll be working with a 16-ounce water bottle. It's a coated stainless steel water bottle, and this is my vinyl. You will also need a transfer sheet to transfer the design to your water bottle, and I also will be using a little container, paintbrush. You will need some gloves and also some tape. Tape of your choice, just something that will prevent any chemical from seeping onto your work area. If you do not have a Cricut machine, you can use special stencils that are created with vinyl materials. Just make sure that it is a material that will not allow any liquid to seep through once it is placed on your work area. I have discovered that Citristrip is a great product, and it's a great alternative if you do not have an engraving machine, if you aren't able to purchase one right now. It allows you that flexibility to work on coated stainless steel bottles, tumblers, stuff like that. Have you tried, other products? You can leave a comment below, let me know, because I'm interested in learning more about, different products that I'm able to use Citristrip on. And let me know what your experience is like if you have used this product before. And if you're also interested in trying this out, let me know how it works out for you. Now I'm just removing the paper backing from the vinyl so I can go ahead and apply this to the stainless steel water bottle. So crafters, I will leave the link for the Citristrip in my description below so you can purchase on Amazon. I have to give credit to the person who discovered this technique for using the Citristrip with a vinyl uncoated stainless steel products. Thank you. So this is what I meant when I said it's transparent and you're able to see through the design or the product that you're working with. And it helps me to identify any air bubbles that might be, sitting right next to the design. So I'm able to get those out easily. So I would highly recommend this particular vinyl for working with Citristrip. You may also notice that on a curved surface, vinyls tend to not sit well, but I'm going to show you what I will do to, kind of help with that process. And you have to be super careful as well with what I am about to do. Maybe it would have been helpful if I did some snips before applying the vinyl, but I am going to be using the weeding tool just to get under the, the edges of the vinyl, so it will be laying down much better. Now that the vinyl is on, I will be using the tape to secure the edges of the vinyl and to protect the areas of this design that doesn't have any vinyl covering it. Here you want to cover all the areas that may be exposed because you do not want the Citristrip to get runny and get onto your bottle. The Citristrip is expected to stay on the bottle for 30 minutes, and because it's liquid, it will get runny and it will probably run to the sides or all the way down to the bottom of the bottle. And if it's not protected, that area is going to be stripped as well. The key here is ensuring that the section of your tape that is interacting with your vinyl is properly laying down, okay, so that the chemical cannot seep underneath. This is my first time working with Citristrip. Let's go ahead and give it a good shake. Because I do not need a lot of this product at once, I'm only doing a small design. I will be using a small container. So I need to grab my gloves and put those on before I start working with this chemical. Okay, I'm grabbing my paintbrush to start the application process. And the consistency of this product, it wasn't too runny, just a little. and it allowed me to spread the Citristrip, evenly across the design area that I wanted to lift. So what this technique really does is it softens the coated area that is exposed that will be interacting with the Citristrip. So after 30 minutes, you allow this to sit for 30 minutes and you remove it thereafter. For some products, some bottles or tumblers, you may find that the Citristrip, it starts working pretty quickly and you're able to remove it before the 30 minutes. But all you have to do is check, and I will show you the process how to check to see if it's ready to be removed. While you're applying the Citristrip, just ensure that all your design is covered properly and it's not too thin on the application. If you made it this far in my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and don't be shy. Leave me a comment and let me know if this was helpful for you, okay? I think that was enough application, so I will allow this to sit for 30 minutes and I will be back. We are at the 30 minutes mark. You can see that the Citristrip was actually running a bit on the bottle. Now I'm testing to see if it's ready to be removed. I'm using my weeding tool just to scrape away at the design, just to check if it's actually ready to be washed off. I will be washing this with just plain water from the tap. So we're ready to wash away with just fresh water. That's all we're using today to wash this off. And I am using a new sponge. I am not using the one that I would typically use to wash my dishes. I do not believe that is recommended, so I will not be doing that. This is looking great so far. I do believe this was a success, but let's continue to remove the Citristrip from the area and see how this turns out. I'm so excited. I'm so happy that this turned out the way it did. Love it. Let's do a close-up. This is looking great. Nice clean finish. I will remove the tape and the vinyl and see how it is. Okay, so I'm just going to give it another rub just to make sure that I'm removing all the areas from the design that shouldn't be there. There we have it. I am so happy that this turned out this way. This is my first try and it was a success. And now for the grand finale. I'm definitely happy about this result. I will continue to use Citristrip on my products. Love it, love it, love it. Let me know in the comments if this video was helpful for you. And I look forward to seeing you in my next tutorial.